Audio Jungle.
Good evening everyone, this is Dr. Deepinder Kaur, Medical Officer, Member State COVID Control Room. I am here for the daily media briefing brought to you by the Control Room. Today it is 139th day of sharing information about Punjab State's efforts for controlling coronavirus situation in the state. Worldwide, coronavirus has infected 1,95,74,481 people and caused 7,24,732 deaths, but almost 1,25,68,981 people have recovered fully. In India, this disease has infected 20,91,810 persons, including 42,626 deaths, whereas 14,29,318 persons have fully recovered from this deadly disease. In Punjab, the state government has sent 6,59,284 samples for testing, out of which 22,928 samples have been found positive till date, which is an increase of 998 cases since yesterday. Unfortunately, 562 people have died so far. Patients who are critical and on ventilator support are 26, and patients on oxygen support are 123, but almost 14,860 number of people have totally recovered and discharged. Now the total number of active cases in Punjab are 7,506. As per the guidelines issued by the state government for Unlock 3, all yoga institutes and gymnasiums have been opened from 5th August in the state, for which standard operating procedures has been issued by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India, which they have to follow. But school, colleges, educational and coaching institutions, cinema halls, swimming pools, entertainment parks, theatres, bars, auditorium, assembly halls and similar places will remain closed during Unlock 3. International air travel of passengers, except as permitted by MHA, are also not permitted during Unlock 3. Night curfew will be effective from 11 p.m. to 5 a.m. throughout the state, but in the worst affected cities like Ludhiana, Jalandhar and Patiala, to check the spread of COVID-19, the state government has ordered night curfew from 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. Movement of individuals for all the non-essential activities shall remain prohibited during the night curfew. Domestic air travel and movement by train will continue as per SOPs issued. The persons above 65 years of age, children below the age of 10 years, persons with comorbidity and pregnant women are advised to stay at home except for essential requirements and for health purposes. In marriage-related gatherings, number of guests should not exceed 30, and during funerals and last rites, number of persons should not exceed 20. During Unlock 3, religious places will remain open only between 5 a.m. to 8 p.m. The maximum number of persons at the time of worship should not exceed 20. Langar and prasad can be served. All the shops, both in urban and rural areas, will remain open from 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. However, shops situated in main bazaars, market complexes, ready markets and other crowded places, district authorities can exercise their discretion and in order to avoid crowding shall stagger the opening of shops. On Sundays, shops dealing with essential commodities will remain open till 8 p.m. but shops other than dealing in essential commodities will remain closed on Sundays. Sport complexes, stadiums and public parks are allowed to open between 5 a.m. to 8 p.m. without spectators as per the SOP of the Health Department. Interstate and intrastate movement of buses is allowed without any restriction. Use of COVA app and self-generated pass would be mandatory for interstate passengers. Social distancing of minimum 6 feet for all the activities shall always be maintained, and wearing of masks by all persons in public places, including workplaces, etc. is mandatory. Any violation of these guidelines and lockdown measures shall be punishable. Finally, we request all of you to follow all the safety rules issued by the Punjab government and contribute to the Mission Fateh in making Punjab COVID-free. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.